Did you know the average person gains about 5 to 10 pounds between Thanksgiving and New Year's? And most of them never lose it. That means every holiday season can quietly stack up year after year until suddenly you're 20 pounds heavier. Not because you let yourself go, but because you didn't have a plan. So today, let's fix that. The holidays are supposed to be a time of joy, of food, family, rest, celebration. But if you're like most people, they're also a time where structure just goes out the window. Workouts fall off, nutrition gets messy, and you tell yourself,
I'll start back up in January.
but here's the truth. You don't need to choose between enjoying the holidays and staying fit. You just need a different strategy. One that fits your real life right now, not your ideal one. So here is your holiday movement guide. Simple, realistic ways to keep your body strong, your energy up, and your mind clear so you start January ahead, not behind. Every year, people set themselves up with this all or nothing mindset. They go hard all fall, then hit December and think, I'll just relax and get back on track after New Year's. But here's the trap, because those 6 weeks are when your habits are tested the most. And stress-wise, probably when you need them the most. You're traveling, you're out of your normal routine, there's food everywhere, there's family everywhere, you're tired, stressed out, pulled in a million directions. And when the workouts stop, your energy tanks. When your energy tanks, your food choices get worse. When your food choices get worse, you feel sluggish, guilty, and less motivated to move. So the cycle continues. It's a spiral. So instead of chasing perfection, your goal this holiday season is momentum. Keep the habit alive, even if the workouts look different or are shorter. So let's talk strategy. Here's how to actually stay fit over the holidays without spending 2 hours in the gym or saying no to every single dessert. 1, keep your minimum standard. Decide what your bare minimum is and commit to that realistically. Maybe it's 20 minutes of movement every day, or 3 strength sessions a week, even if it's just 30 minutes, or 10,000 steps a day. Don't lower your standards, just lower your entry point. The goal is consistency, not intensity. 2, use micro workouts. You don't need a full gym session to stay fit. Break it up. 10 push-ups before your shower, 20 squats while your coffee brews, 15-minute circuit before dinner. Get the family to join. Research shows short bursts of exercise done consistently can maintain strength, muscle mass, and cardiovascular health just as well as longer sessions, as long as you stay consistent. Movement doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be present. 3, turn traditions into movement. You're already spending time with family. Use that to move. Go for a morning walk before breakfast or after dinner. Have a snowball fight with the kids or surf with them. Start a turkey trot or holiday hike tradition. Dance while you clean or cook. The options are endless. You don't have to fit in workouts. You can fold them into what you're already doing. Make it fun, not punishment. 4, use the 2-for-1 rule. If you skip a workout, your next one must combine 2 movements. 1 for strength and 1 for conditioning. That way you get back on track faster instead of feeling behind. We want to start January ahead. For example, superset squats with jump squats, superset push-ups with mountain climbers. Quick, effective, done. 5, prioritize movement in the morning. If you wait until after work, it probably won't happen. Holidays get busier as the day goes on. Spontaneous plans, family obligations, last-minute errands. Get it done first thing, before the world starts asking for your time. Even 10 minutes early in the day sets the tone for better choices later. Do it for yourself. And 6, stack movement with triggers. Use existing habits as anchors. After you brush your teeth, you do 15 squats. After morning coffee, you take a 10-minute walk. Before Netflix, 2 sets of planks or push-ups. You don't need more discipline. You need better systems and to stick to them. And 7, redefine what counts. Movement isn't limited to workouts. Cleaning, cooking, decorating, carrying groceries, walking through the stores, it all counts. When you start to view movement as a lifestyle, not an appointment, you stop falling off track every time life changes. There's one thing that changes everything this holiday season. It's this: never break the chain. Whether you're traveling, hosting, or exhausted, Do something every day to keep the momentum alive, even if it's 10 minutes, even if it's body weight only, even if it's just stretching. Because momentum, not motivation, is what gets you through the holidays without backsliding, and it's what will carry you into your New Year's resolution ahead. It's the small things, the daily choice to move when you don't feel like it, that keep your energy high, your stress low, and your metabolism firing. So to recap, keep your minimum standard. Don't lower the bar, just lower the entry point. Use micro workouts. Short bursts add up. Build movement into traditions. Guys, make it fun. Stack habits. Movement happens automatically when it's tied to triggers. Never break the chain. Keep the streak alive even on busy days. Remember, the holidays don't have to derail you or become something stressful. They can actually refine you. Because when you can stay consistent when life is chaotic, that's when you know the habits are real and when your training takes on its purpose. If you found this helpful, drop your best holiday fitness tip in the comments. What's worked for you when life got busy? If you want to keep your progress on track through the holidays, check out my video on holiday nutrition non-negotiables. I'll show you exactly how to enjoy the food, skip the guilt, and stay in control.